Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen with the link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is a show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Dubai. This came from Dubai, but it's a product from South Korea. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh, wow. If you're not aware of it, there's a Korean thing called Topokki. And Topokki are tubes made with rice flour. It's a rice cake, and they're really good, depending on what kind of sauce and seasonings you use with them. And then there's also Rapokki, which is when you have those and ramen noodles, and you mix the two together. So this is from a company called Seoul. They make lots of different combinations of each, and we're going to look at them. So there are a couple of different promo sheets in the box. This one's showing all the varieties of tteokbokki that they make, and this one, all the Rapokki varieties. So here is the tray version. There's a tray version as well as a cup version of these, and yeah, they're these rice cake tubes, and they're really good. They're cylindrical, and they're tubes. They're not hollow. They're tubular, cylindrical, and they're soft. They've got a nice little bit of chew to them, and they're really good. This one's their cheese variety, and this one is the original. So the original is going to be kind of a sweet, spicy red sauce that goes with these. They've got a carbonara variety. This is a very popular flavor these days. And this is a flavor I've never seen for tteokbokki. This is chili lime. Interesting. And the cup version of their carbonara. And the cup version of their original. And then here is a kimchi version. And now we move to the Rapokki. This is their original, and as you can see, this is a combination of tteokbokki and noodle. And then we have their cheese variety. And finally, a carbonara variety. Well, a big thank you to the folks over at Good Soul for sending these over. Yeah, I know that you can get these over in the Gulf area in the Middle East, and you can soon get them in Europe. These all sound really good, so you'll start seeing reviews of these soon. Yeah. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.